These will certainly mess you up. One of the most iconic spring break cocktails out there is the Hurricane, but I wonder, does it Corona? All right, guys, to make the Hurricane Corona, first thing you gotta do is get yourself a Corona and pop that bad boy open. Drink it down to just probably below the C in the label. First ingredient, we're gonna add a little bit of freshly squeezed lime juice, about 1/3 of an ounce. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of orange juice. 1 ounce, the perfect pour. Throw in a bar spoon of passion fruit nectar. It's about 5 milliliters. A bar spoon of simple syrup, about 5 milliliters. Now we're getting dangerous, Mrs. Zamora. Overproof rum, 151, 1/2 ounce. Be careful with this stuff. It'll catch up to you, quick. But don't worry, you won't remember it. Next, we're going to add dark rum. I'm going to use Island Bird Premium Rum. This rum is fantastic, guys. 1/2 ounce. And to top it all off, we're going to add some grenadine. Just a dash will do you. All right, guys, that's how you make the Hurricane Corona. Let's give it the old college try. Before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. Cheers. Holy crap, that's got a lot of flavor going on in there. Okay, that's freaking good. Serve these bad boys at your next hurricane party.